Okay, I'm back. So I put that tool in the wrong way. Aren't I so lovely? Now I get to put it in the right way. And this tool is just so gosh darn tight and sharp. Oh, come on. I don't think I'm going to use this. Forget this. I'm just not even, nope. Not today. It's just not going to be my day today to mess with this one. What the heck? I got it right that time. Jeez Louise. Okay, changing my mind. I'm a woman. I can do that. So it's all gotta be cupped in there like that. Pray Lord I don't cut myself today. Would not be out of character. Okay. And please never cut towards your hand. Make sure your hands are out of the way, all fingers, all that good stuff. Because if you cut towards your hands, chances are you're going to lose a finger, especially if your tools are sharper than mine. And actually probably dull tools are the worst to work with because they give you the highest risk of slipping. And I should know because my tools slip all the time because I am not all that great about making sure my tools are as sharp as they're supposed to be. Because otherwise, with proper tools, that's twisting. With a head knife, I would not be doing any of this kind of stuff. Just be able to whoop whoop, slip right through it, be done. But I don't have a head knife. And for some of you real leather crafters out there who are probably saying this, yeah, you're shaking your head. I'm shaking my head. Use what you got. It's the best I can tell people. And we'll go back over that edge with a X-Acto knife to clean all that good stuff up. Alrighty. So now I've got that done. Now I get to move on. See, so I've got just that little bit of a lip. I think I want to bring that down just maybe a little bit more. Yeah, that looks good to me. Okay. I'm going to score the edge here. I'm going to cut that edge. I'm going to cut that, move that in half. Can't really tell. Looks like it's right there. Gonna recheck. And it is. So that's good. Okay. So now I'm trying to decide if I want that to be my sewing line or not. And I think I'm going to go ahead and say yes. So I'm going to go ahead and mark it right here so I know my edge is coming no higher than that. So then that can kind of be my marker point. And everything above this is going to be my flap over. So, joy! I think I got that figured out. I'm wondering if I need to make a cut down here, and I think I'm gonna need to. So, let's see, right about maybe here. Right in there, which I'll probably do with a pocket knife. So now I'm going to grab this handy tool. I hope you can see everything I'm doing, guys. I'll take that sharp point into that groove. I think I want maybe about that much of a lip. So that's going to be the line where I'm going to cut down to. So that way I have just a little bit of room on the sides. Now the fun part, getting ready to set those holes. Now I am going to have to take the stitches out once I put them in. I know it sounds terrible, but I'm going to have to open this back up so I can put the belt loop to fit the belt correctly on the back. But I can't cut this back portion out until I have my top piece done perfectly to where I want it. So I'm gonna wait. And so unfortunately, in order to do that the way I want to, I'm going to have to cut the stitches back out of it. Right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start here at the bottom. Go almost to the top. And I'm going to start here at the bottom. Go almost to the top. So you can see those, I move it up close, and you can see those little hole marks, those little teeth marks. That is where I'm going to be marking my stitches for. So lining my top up with my line groove up here. Slide this in there. Make sure everything's exactly where I need it to be. Whoa, that really likes to close up, doesn't it? So 1 hole, 2 hole, the tedious job of pushing it all through the leather. If I've got my top marked, making sure I can sew it all the way through is just going to be so much easier. And because you're probably not going to want to see me do this the whole way down on both sides, I'm going to go ahead and end this right here.